Hey guys, thanks for checking out the video. I'm Jesse from Jesse's Garage and Adventures, and in today's video we're going to be retrofitting all of my brake lights and turn signal lights up to LEDs. I've been told multiple times that my lights are darn near impossible to see, especially if it's dusty behind me when we're doing trail rides and stuff. So my first hope before having to replace all these with something fancy is just to do LED turn signals. This video was actually sponsored by Lasfit. Lasfit sent me all of the turn signals minus one brake light that I had to purchase on my own. So we're going to go ahead and go through the installation process. I'll show you guys what you can do, and let's get this all set up. Before we do go ahead and change them, I'm going to show you the before. So we're going to turn just the running lights on, we're going to press the brakes, and then we're going to turn the turn signals on. And we're going to do both of those with the lights on and the lights off. And then in the sun, it's even brighter than it is in here. So you guys will get a pretty good idea of what we're dealing with. So this first clip will be just pressing the brakes. This is with my lights on, pressing the brakes. And then these are the turn signals. So I'm now going to be turning the lights off, and then we'll get a good clip of the same thing. So to change the rear turn signals and brake lights in this truck are very simple. There's just 4 screws that you'll remove the lens, and then you can get directly to the bulbs. So these are the 194 type of bulb. They just pull directly out, and then you push the new one directly in. Next you'll be dealing with the brake lights and the reverse lights. For some reason I didn't record the brake lights, which I used an aux beam light for because Lasfit didn't offer one. But the reverse lights are their 1156 CAN bus ready lights. They're like an 8th turn counterclockwise. They come out, and then an 8th turn clockwise, and they lock in. And then once your bulbs are all changed, you just have to put the lens back on, and that's all you really need to do to get the light bulbs changed out to LEDs on this vehicle. And then obviously you got to do it on both sides, so I did the same exact process on the other side. Alright guys, and because I've got an old vehicle with a manual turn signal relay, I'm going to show you what will happen if you just install LED bulbs into these. What will happen in some vehicles is they'll flash real fast. In my case, they just won't flash at all. And then we'll go get a new relay. I'll show you guys how to install it, and we should be good to go. Alright guys, ignore all my hokey wiring, but this right here is your turn signal relay. We're just going to pull that out. This one's got a 2-pin here, as you can see. I went and purchased a couple relays because I wasn't sure which one I had. We're going to find the 2-pin here and then replace it. So basically any auto parts store will carry turn signal relays. This one turns out to be an EL12, and you want a heavy-duty electronic one, which means that there's circuitry inside which will tell it how fast to flash rather than being based off of the resistance of the circuit. Alright, so we're just going to hold it like this, line it up with the pins in there, slide it in, and then this should work. Alright guys, we've got them all installed. They're super bright. I'm going to go ahead and go through the cycles for you, that way you can see them. So first we're going to do just the brake light. Now we're going to do the turn signal. Now we're going to add the brake into the turn signal. Now we're going to turn the lights on and do it all again. So the lights are on, pressing the brakes. Brake light. Now the turn signal. Okay, we're going to do brake lights. Now we're going to add the turn signal. I know it's hard to tell in the video, but these bulbs really are much brighter than the original incandescent bulbs, and I highly recommend this upgrade. So I forgot to record it before on the reverse lights, but it's a pretty substantial difference, and I believe that you guys can tell from the videos that the LED bulbs are much brighter in general. I'm pretty happy with this upgrade, and I do work with Lasfit, so if you guys are interested in getting your own setup, please remember to click that link down in the description and use my discount code. That will save you 20%. And I would just like to say thank you guys for watching. If you liked my content, please remember to like, share, subscribe, comment what you think below, give me your thoughts and all your feedback. I'm constantly trying to improve these videos, and without you guys, I can't do this.